Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a Google font and the exact weights you need. This saves load time and avoids unused files. Copy the link or at import snippet Google provides and keep it handy. Next, decide whether you want the font across the whole site or only for headings or buttons. Once done, add the snippet to your project's head for a global change or to a specific style sheet if you prefer component-level control. This is the first actionable step. Now integrate the font with Bootstrap by ensuring the Google Fonts link appears before your Bootstrap CSS so browser applies font early. If you use at import, put it at the top of your custom style sheet and load that after Bootstrap. Make sure to set font family on root or body so Bootstrap utilities inherit it. For example, set BS body font family to your font for seamless alignment with Bootstrap variables. This step connects the font to Bootstrap system. Finish by testing. Open DevTools, confirm the font file loads, and check computed styles to ensure font family matches. Add font display. Swap in your import or at font face to avoid invisible text while loading. If you still see Bootstrap defaults, make sure your CSS specificity or variable overrides are stronger. Override BS body font family or add a simple body font family. Your font, System UI, sans serif, rule loaded after Bootstrap. One key troubleshooting tip. Inspect computed font family and network requests to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.